Welcome to English Speaking Practice.
Oliver, you look worried. What is wrong?
Grace, I have a problem. A big problem.
Okay. Tell me, what is it?
My mother is coming tonight.
Oh, that is good. Why is that a problem?
I want to cook for her, but I don't know how.
You want to cook for your mother?
Yes, she loves home food, but I never cook.
Never? Not one time?
Not one time. It gets worse.
Worse? What do you mean?
She arrives in 3 hours.
3 hours and no food? Oh, no.
Yes, what do I do?
Well, you have 3 hours.
3 hours is not a lot of time.
It is enough. We can do this together.
Together? You will help me?
Yes, I will help you, step by step.
Step by step. That sounds hard.
No, it is easy. Trust me.
Okay, I trust you. Let's start.
First, we need ingredients.
Ingredients. What does that mean?
Ingredients. The things you put in a dish.
The things you put in a dish. I see.
Like vegetables, meat, and spices.
Vegetables, meat, and spices. Okay.
Let's go to the market. It is close.
The market. Yes, let's go.
Here we are. This is the market.
Wow, so many things here.
Yes, look at the colors. Red tomatoes, green peppers.
Red tomatoes, green peppers. Very bright.
And the smell. Can you smell the herbs?
Yes, it smells fresh. Very fresh.
Good. Now let's find what we need.
What do we need first?
Onions. We always start with onions.
Onions. I know onions. They make me cry.
Yes, they make everyone cry.
Everyone? Even good cooks?
Even the best cooks. That is normal.
Oh, that is good to know.
Now look, we also need garlic.
Garlic. This small white thing?
Yes, that small white thing. It adds a lot of flavor.
Flavor. You mean taste?
Yes, taste. Flavor is the taste of food.
Flavor is the taste of food. I understand.
Good. Now we have onions, garlic, and tomatoes.
Onions, garlic, and tomatoes. Good ingredients.
You see, shopping is easy.
Yes, maybe cooking is easy too.
Maybe. Let's go home and find out. Here we are. This is the kitchen.
Okay, the kitchen. Where do we start?
First, wash your hands.
Wash my hands. Yes, good idea.
Always wash your hands before cooking. It is important.
Always wash my hands before cooking. I will remember.
Now look at this. This is a chopping board.
Chopping board. That flat board for cutting?
Exactly. For cutting. We cut everything on this.
Okay, I put the onion here.
Yes, put the onion on the board.
And now I cut it.
Yes, cut it into small pieces.
Into small pieces. Like this?
Good! Very good. Now the garlic.
The garlic too?
Yes, crush it first. Like this. Press it down.
Crush it. You mean push it hard?
Yes, push it hard. That is to crush.
To crush. Push it hard. Okay.
Now we have everything ready.
Ready? You mean prepared?
Yes, prepared and set to cook. That is ready.
Prepared and set to cook. I like that word.
How do you feel now, Oliver?
A little less nervous, maybe.
Good. Step by step, remember?
Step by step. Yes, I remember.
Now we cook. First, put oil in the pan.
Oil in the pan. How much oil?
Just a little. 2 spoons.
2 spoons of oil. Okay.
Good. Now put the pan on the heat.
On the heat. Like this?
Yes. Now wait. The oil needs to get hot.
Wait for the oil. Okay. I can wait.
Look, it is hot now. You can see it moving.
Yes, I see it moving. It looks different now.
Now add the onion. Put it in the pan.
Okay. Here it goes.
Listen to that sound.
Wow, it makes a big sound, like sss.
Yes, that sound is called sizzling.
Sizzling. That is the sound of cooking.
Yes, when food hits hot oil, it sizzles.
Sizzles. I like that word.
Now stir. Move the onion around the pan.
Stir. Move it around. Like this?
Yes, good. Keep stirring.
It is changing color. It was white. Now it is yellow.
Good. That means it is cooking.
I can see it cooking. That feels amazing.
Now add the garlic.
The garlic. Yes, into the pan.
Can you smell it now?
Yes, it smells so good, warm and strong.
That is the flavor starting.
The flavor starting. Yes, I smell it.
Now the tomatoes, add them in.
The tomatoes. All of them?
Yes, all of them. Stir everything together.
Everything together. Okay, I'm stirring.
Now add a little salt.
Salt. Yes. How much?
Just a pinch, a small amount between your fingers.
A pinch. A small amount. Like this?
Perfect. Now let it simmer.
Simmer. What does simmer mean?
Simmer means cook slowly on low heat.
Cook slowly on low heat. I see.
Yes. Do not rush. Good food takes time.
Do not rush. Good food takes time. I understand.
How do you feel now, Oliver?
I feel good. Not so nervous now.
See? Cooking is not so hard.
No, it is not so hard. Step by step.
The food is simmering. Now let's set the table.
Set the table. You mean prepare the table?
Yes. Put plates, forks, and glasses on the table.
Plates, forks, and glasses. Okay.
Here are the plates. Put one here.
One plate here and one plate there.
Good. Now the forks on the left side.
Forks on the left side. Like this?
Exactly. And the glass on the right.
Glass on the right. It looks nice now.
Yes, a good table feels welcoming.
Welcoming. You mean warm and friendly?
Yes, warm and friendly. That is welcoming.
I want it to feel welcoming for my mother.
It already does. Look at it.
Yes, it looks really good.
And the kitchen smells wonderful.
It does. I did that. I made that smell.
You did. How does that feel?
It feels really good, really good.
Remember this morning? You were nervous.
Yes, I was very nervous. I said, I cannot cook.
And now?
And now I am cooking. I am really cooking.
Exactly. The food is ready. Oliver, look at this.
Wow, I made this. I really made this.
You did. It looks and smells wonderful.
Wonderful. You mean very beautiful?
Yes, very beautiful and very good. Wonderful.
My food is wonderful. I like that.
Now, let's put the food on the plates.
Yes, we call that serving, right?
Yes, serving. You put food on plates for someone.
Serving. I am serving the food now.
Good. Look at that color. Deep red.
Deep red from the tomatoes.
Yes, and the smell is rich.
Rich. You mean strong and deep?
Yes, a rich smell means strong and warm, full of flavor.
Full of flavor. Yes, I can smell the flavor.
Try a small taste, just a little.
Okay, I will try. Oh, it is good. It is really good.
Good? Are you sure?
Yes, I am sure. I made something good.
You did. You made it from start to finish.
From start to finish. Yes, all by myself.
Well, with a little help.
Yes, with a little help. Thank you, Grace.
You are welcome. How do you feel now?
I feel proud, really proud.
You should feel proud. This morning you said you cannot cook.
Yes, and now I cooked a real meal for my mother.
And you learned new words, too.
Yes, ingredients, flavor, sizzle, simmer.
And serving and welcoming and wonderful.
Yes, so many words from one meal.
Yes, you learned English in a real situation.
In a real situation, not from a book.
Exactly. Real words from real cooking.
I feel more confident now.
Good. Confident means you believe in yourself.
Confident, you believe in yourself. Yes, that is me now.
And your mother will be here soon.
Yes, and I am ready for her.
Ready, prepared, and set.
Ready, prepared, and set. Yes, I am ready.
Less nervous, more confident.
Less nervous, more confident. I like that.